resource that we are going to talk about is diigo. And diigo is a lot like delicious. I just didn't embrace it in the way that I did delicious. So you're going to find the tool that works for you. That's another thing that you'll hear me say a lot. But I think one of the neat features of diigo that many people like is it allows you to annotate a web page before you save it. So this would have been a lifesaver when I was in graduate school at Dominican and needed to save resources. So you can highlight directly on the page. So if I go over to the diigo extension that I installed, I can click on it and then it gives you this little drop down menu. I could just save it if I just wanted to save the resource, and that works fine too. But I want to show you how the annotating works. So I'm going to click on annotate. And when you click annotate, it gives you this little drop down menu. So there's all different things you can do. You can simply save, you can add a sticky note. The thing I think is most helpful is to actually highlight. So you can choose what color you want. And then I can come over, maybe I want to highlight this paragraph, and it'll pop up your little diigo toolbar. I can highlight it. And now it is highlighted on the web page. How cool is that? And then you'll notice on my diigo extension, it has a little red flag that indicates that this page is bookmarked. If I go back to my diigo homepage and refresh, which might take a minute, you can see though that it saved the resource for me, and then it also saved the highlighting that I did. So that's a really neat feature of diigo. In both of these cases, with Delicious and with diigo, there are tons of other things you can do. You can follow people. There are groups you can join. But for me, the power of both of these tools is the fact that I can access these resources from anywhere. And then I can also search my tags, or I can search other people's tags to find